actually a booster of self-confidence if you didn't know, because when you smell good, when you look good, when you have your hair did, your makeup did, your nails did, you're like, damn, is this me? I'm a boss ass bee, you know? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Please just take a second to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me on Instagram. In today's video, I have a what's in my purse. So if you guys want to see what I carry with me, stay tuned. So this is my bag. It's a pretty sized bag. So much fits in here, and it's a classic black bag, which I feel like every woman should have. So let's get into the goodies that I have in here. So of course, the three main things that every woman has in their bag is their cell phone, their wallet, and their house keys. So this mini Louis Vuitton coin purse is actually my favorite. My friend gifted it to me about 5 years ago, and it literally is in brand new condition. Like, it's such good quality. It's real leather, and so much fits in here, believe it or not. So I have my debit cards, my license, my health insurance, I carry coins, I carry cash. So it is just the right fit, because even if I didn't have my purse with me, I can attach it to my keychain, I can put it in my jacket, in my coat, whatever it is, I can carry it in my hand because it's just that practical. I have my notebook, which is for my to-do list. So I put everything that I have to do for the day, whether that's grocery shopping, car wash, Target, you know, any type of errand, I write it down here and I just check it off once I do it. I like the idea of writing things down because it gives me a sense of satisfaction when I'm crossing them out later in the day, as opposed to doing it on my phone with the calendar. I don't know, digital things are just not like my forte. So I rather the old school way. And of course, with our pandemic in 2020, you want to carry the masks, so I usually carry 2 just in case, and these are disposable ones because, again, when I have makeup on, the makeup does transfer over, so I gotta throw it out. Then we have the hand sanitizer, and this is actually my best friend's hand sanitizer from her bridal shower. It's Spread Love Not Germs, Raquel's bridal shower, 9/19/20, so I still use it. It is great. Obviously, you always wanna have this handy in case you touch a doorknob or something. You can just put it on really quick and, you know, kills 99.9% of the bacteria. Hello. And then when it comes to moisturizing my hands, because again, we're putting so much hand sanitizer and just, you know, like drying it out, I like to carry this Eucerin Original Healing, especially because I suffer from eczema. I need something that's extra moisturizing, and this definitely helps with protecting very dry, sensitive skin. So it doesn't really have a smell, and it is kind of thick, but for me, it's the most useful. Again, I like to carry tissues with me. This is actually from my job. Tissues are super handy because, especially now during winter, you get runny nose, or, you know, if you touch something and you just kind of want to wipe your hands, whatever it is, you always want to have tissues in your purse. I don't really like chewing gum, so I usually go to the restroom and I take some mouthwash, rinse, and then I'm good to go. It's such a great breath of fresh air. Touche. And then talking about going to the restroom, I actually have these down there wipes that I use when I pee because I like to remain fresh. And this is hypoallergenic plant-based flushable with organic aloe and vitamins. So not only are you refreshing, but you're also moisturizing. And it's rose water, so it smells super good. Then my handy dandy poopery. You spray before you go. This is the lemon and lemongrass scent. So basically, when you're pooping, you don't want people knowing that you're taking a deuce. You don't want people smelling it. That's just nasty when you go into a bathroom and all those follicles get into your nose and you know that somebody either is pooping or just pooped. It's like, you don't even want to go in there. So what you do is you spray a little bit of this before you use the restroom. Wow, this smells so good. It's lemon scent, like I said, and basically it takes away the poop smell. So I always have this, and this was $10, so super cheap for something that's gonna last you a while, because you're not gonna go ahead and spray like 10 sprays. A little goes a long way. 1, 2, and you're done. And then mentioning sprays, I always like to spray myself because I like to smell good, and this is the Brazilian Crush from Sol de Janeiro. It smells so good. It's my favorite scent. You know, I usually don't really like perfume as much because I get headaches right away, but this I can spray all day and just feel like $1,000,000 bucks. It's actually a booster for self-confidence, if you didn't know. And then sometimes when I'm in the bathroom, of course, I have to fix my hair, and I carry this Eco styling gel. It's great because, you know, if my baby hairs are standing up or if I have anything along this, I just kind of take a little bit, rub it, and just slick my hair back. And then talking about having slick back hair, especially when you have a ponytail, I usually like to carry a whole bunch of scrunchies. So these are from Target because you never know, like you lose scrunchies like no tomorrow. And then my handy dandy makeup slash grooming kit or bag, whatever you want to call it. Here I have tampons, pads, and panty liners. So if you guys haven't seen my period routine, I did do a video on, you know, what it is I use while I have my period and my best friend of the month. But the pad and the tampon that you guys saw are from the Elle brand, and this you can get at Target. I like this brand because it's no synthetic pesticide, dyes, or fragrances. It is clean beauty. And similar with the tampons, it's the same brand. Again, no rayon, chlorine, bleaching, or synthetic pesticides, BPA-free plastic applicators. And so these are my go-to, which I carry a little bit with me in case I happen to get it earlier, or, you know, I don't really write down when I'm supposed to get my period. I get it every month, so I'm kind of like winging it. And then I have my native deodorant. So this is a travel size deodorant. You put some on in case you want to just refresh. And then I like to have my nail file with me at all times because, as you can see, my nails have grown and sometimes they break, or, you know, I don't know, they just need some filing. So I can file at my disposal because I bring it with me. And then I love to have my tweezer. This tweezer is my favorite. I forgot where I got it. And I like to carry this with me in case I need to clean up my brow quickly, just, you know, kind of give it a little more oomph. Talking about oomph, my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. I be standing in my locker, all the boys be stopping. Hey! This is my favorite lip gloss. It's called the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. And this is actually a great dupe for the KKW one. It is in the color Stone. It's such a beautiful nude color. I don't know if you guys can tell. I have it on my lip now, but I can even apply a little more. I like to apply in the center. Wow. Do you see that? Like, I just feel like this is an expensive look when it really only costs like, I think, 10 bucks. So definitely get yourself this dupe if you want to get a KKW kind of vibe. So, aside from lip gloss, I do like to use my lip protectant, which is my lip balm, and I use the Aquaphor one because it has sunscreen in it, so it has SPF 30, which is great. It's definitely really good for dry, chapped lips. I usually get that sometimes, and I apply this, and I automatically feel the instant moisture. So, and then sometimes when I have makeup on and it's been a long day, I start getting oily, so I have the blotting sheets from e.l.f. So they look like this. You take one out and then you just pat. And you can kind of see a little bit of the oil there. You see that? Where it's shiny. So this is really good to have. That way you can keep yourself matte and not look like you just ran a marathon. Nobody wants to see that. I like to carry my mirror in case I can't go to the restroom and I do need to, you know, fix something, you know, whether it's my lip gloss or pat with my blotting sheets, or, you know, just take out a little extra hair on the eyebrow. Whatever the case is, I carry my NARS bronzer because it has this really nice mirror that I can just look at, like if I'm on the train or anything like that, and I have it handy. And last but not least, when it comes to my little purse, I have the Headache Relief Extra Strength Pills. So this is the Target brand. And I get this because I get migraines or headaches pretty often, and I can't be out with a headache. So I just pop one pill, you know, when necessary, and my headache goes away. So I always carry this. Also, if somebody else needs, you know, I usually have. And then I always like to carry mint, but the mint that I have is the Halls. It relieves cough. It relieves cough. It relieves coughs and soothes sore throats. It's made with real honey. I like it because not only is it helping my throat, especially if I'm talking so much, but because it tastes good. So these are my handy dandy mitts. I can't talk today. These are my handy dandy mints. So I have them in my purse. And that is pretty much it for a what's in my purse. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment below. Let me know what's in your purse. Subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!